Hello friends, I'm back with new updates and a fresh new project. I thought for a long time about with which project to go with. There were now around 5 to 6 unfinished prototypes to choose from, thanks to my project ADHD. This RTS style tower defense will be my main project for now. As you can see, I have already implemented some basic functions. The worker balls break down materials such as wood and stone and automatically bring them into the castle. You can build the first towers. These towers will attack the enemy dudes. I then also tested whether I could build mazes with my approach. And yeah, some 120 towers later, it works. The navigation will be updated as soon as a new tower is built, so the enemy will take a different route to the castle. The last 2 days I've been fiddling with graphics settings to generate a cool low poly look. Tried different assets and tested different terrain models. I'm not really completely satisfied yet, but it's going in one direction. I don't know what the next days will bring, but I will focus my free time to this project. I also thought about streaming again, but I don't know yet. So, this is it for the devlog. See you in the next one.